How long you shall sleep? Get up, rascal, get up. This is the opportunity.
Who is a guru? Gu means darkness, Ru means remover. The guru removes the darkness of ignorance. Guru is not God. He is as good as God because he speaks only message of God. He is representative of God. Yasya prasadat bhagavad prasado. Through Guru, only we can get mercy of God. Guru connects us to God through Guru Parampara. Even Lord Krishna accepted Guru, Sandipani Muni. Lord Ram accepted Guru, Vasishtha Muni. So on this Guru Purnima, special day, let us offer our heart, thanks, gratitude to Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada. Jaya Jaya Prabhupada.